What is good, YouTube, man? It's the Hemi Twins back here with another video, and today, man, we got another mod for y'all boy today, man. This is a well-recommended mod that all Scat packs and hellcat should have, and it's the 𝐒𝐤𝐾, man. Some of my subscribers and people that I subscribe to, and I was looking at their video, and them boy recommend this mod, so I'm gonna give y'all boy this mod, show y'all boy step by step how we install it, show y'all boy how to install it. So let's go kick scan, get the tools. These the tools you need. I'm sure you get in later in the video. Yeah, man. So we go with the JLT 𝐒𝐤𝐾. So yeah, that thing gonna be crazy. $200, man. This song is well worth it. We gonna see. We gonna see. So gotta pop the trunk real quick. Pop the hood. I mean, yeah, pop the hood. I always sing. Alright, so there's the 𝐒𝐤𝐾 scanner right there. And these gonna be the tools you're gonna need. So there's a flathead. Y'all gonna need a flathead, a Phillips screwdriver, any scissors, and a 5/8 socket, but it gotta be deep. Cause it's going on that bolt right there, and we gotta take out. Alright, so y'all gonna wanna take out this little bolt right here with this 5/8 deep socket. So we're gonna install a bracket first. Nope, got piston low. Put that screen thing, you heard me? Once you get that thing, dang, I never seen nothing like that, but yeah. Get that thing out. But yeah, once you get that thing out, there's gonna be these two screws right here. Gonna be these two screws for this bracket right here. One on the top. So we're gonna want that thing to be centered like that. So put back in. So you're gonna put this on, and then you're gonna screw this bolt back on. This thing is hot. Try to make it as straight as possible. We're gonna loosen it. We ain't gonna tighten it up all the way yet. And tighten. Woo! Boy, that thing burning.
It is hot because we just cooled the car.
Alright, next we're gonna want to pull this out. See something. Gotta pull this hose. Alright. You can put a flathead in it and try to wiggle it out from off this tube. So yeah, I'm gonna just get the 𝐒𝐤𝐾 cans, and they come with these two screws right here. Gonna mount them in place real quick, just to have the catch can on there already. Here's the screw. Came in a little bad too. But yeah, you're gonna want to turn this to like a 90-degree angle. That's gonna be hard right now. Let me get that out real quick. That's right. Turning this thing. Damn. Y'all will let me know how y'all got it. So easy. That took a decent amount of time. So that face, like a 90-degree angle towards you. I'm just gonna plug up. Just line it up real quick. Get the screw. So close. Alright, y'all boy want to tighten that up. And with this hose, we're just going to make sure this go in here. Alright. Just want to make sure ain't no bend. It's a slight bend to it, but
I guess it's more to like at least about 10-15 minutes. So it's an easy mod. Save your engine in the long run. Don't forget to tighten that bolt down there. 5/8.
alright. Make sure everything good to go.
And over time, you unscrew this, and you see the oil.
Yeah, the oil supposed to build up in there, so to save this. I know my engine bay dirty, man, but sure everything on. Alright. So we ain't gonna need this guy no more. Put the tools in the box. Alright, there she goes. Alright, man, so today we installed an oil catch cam for the 392, man. This is a well-recommended mod for the Scat packs and hellcats, man. So if you got a hellcat or a Scat pack, make sure you get this mod, man. This was a quick, easy mod. It took like at least, I'd say 5 minutes, you know. But I know this is going to be a short video, man. Quick and simple mod for this, man. But yeah, let us know in the comment section about more videos or more mods that we should do to the 392, man. Because I'm trying to get this thing looking right. Y'all boy, let me know in the comment section. Let's get this video to at least 30 plus likes. And yeah, man, so boom. And y'all boy, let us know in the comment section as well. I know y'all want to see that point of view. We're gonna give y'all that too. But let us know in the comment section who waves look the best, man. Who waves look the best out here, man. Come on, I'm gonna get y'all boy a 360. Get y'all boy a 360 real quick. Alright. Now let me know, 1 or 2. Which one you rather have? But yeah, man, that's gonna wrap it up for this video, man. If y'all boy like this video, make sure y'all boy get this video to at least 30 plus likes and let us know what else mods should we do to the 392, man. It's the Hemi Twins, and we out.